I have a question for all you investors. Would you rather loan your money to experienced real estate investors just like the big banks and make fees and high double-digit returns while you sleep? Or would you rather be a landlord and deal with tenants and repairs? Now, some would say both. Most would say loan money like the banks. Why? Because loaning your money out is passive. You have the control. It's more secure and the income is more predictable than most investments. Now, if you said neither, that means you are not aware that when you put your money in a bank, you are loaning your money without knowing it. Yeah, that's right. And the banks are earning billions by leveraging your money that you deposit and loaning it out to others for real estate, cars, credit cards, etc. Yeah, banks don't have money. They use yours. But that's a lesson for another time. So why not cut out the middleman and loan it out yourself and make the money for you and your family instead of for the big banks? I'm Danny McKinney, and I have been in the real estate lending business for over 30 years, and I am going to show you why private lending should be your next financial move. Click the button below to download my Private Lending Profits Handbook. Plus, I will give you free access to my Private Lending Profits community so you can learn, network, and make money with other investors in our community. When you click the button, you'll learn these strategies. How to create passive income by lending to real estate investors, exclusive lending opportunities, get access to vetted deals and borrowers, how to secure your money with real estate so you're always protected, how to earn double-digit returns without dealing with tenants or toilets, the step-by-step blueprint to becoming a successful private lender, how to take control of your money, how to loan other people's money even if you don't have any of your own, networking and deal flow, how to use the deal evaluator software to underwrite your deals, and much, much more. You'll get all of this inside the community. Click the button and download the handbook. Plus, join the community for free. As an investor, the goal is to have your money work for you and not for someone else. Private lending is the best passive way to make 5- and 6-figure returns paid to you on a monthly basis and with all the protections like the big banks. Go ahead and get access now, and I'll see you inside.